Attention homeowner associations, community managers, and board members. Prepare to experience a whole new level of ease and convenience with managing your communities. Introducing DoorLoop HOA, where property management features meet your association's everyday needs. To create thriving, harmonious communities, streamline the countless administrative tasks with our all-in-one HOA management platform. Collect resident dues from the one portal and address your residents' needs promptly. Communicate with your residents and board members, making announcements or sending automated reminders simple. Within our dedicated resident center, residents can pay dues, send maintenance requests, submit architectural request forms, and always stay in the loop. With DoorLoop HOA, board members get access to important reports and updates. Dive deep into financial reports, bank account balances, and vendor payments. And of course, with our mobile app, manage and coordinate on the move, anytime, anywhere. Try DoorLoop HOA for streamlined processes, easier communication, and an amazing resident experience for your community. Schedule a demo with us today.